Hey Fox Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my shopping haul. So on Christmas Eve, I decided to go out and pick up a few last minute items for Christmas. And while I was out shopping, I decided to pick up some things for the house, for myself, of course. Yeah, because there were some really good deals. Macy's had like a 50% off sale on their bedding, and then if you had a coupon because you have a Macy's account, you got an additional 20% discount. So I picked up some really nice duvet covers to go on the queen size bed that I recently purchased for my upstairs guest bedroom. So I'm going to be sharing those with you guys. And then I went to Ross and picked up a few little home decor items. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what I picked up. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Robbie. I post videos of everything home decor and DIY, so consider becoming part of the Fox Squad. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, let me show you guys what I picked up. So from Ikea, I just picked up two of these pillows. I like how they compress them in here. It makes it a lot easier to carry. So they're I am not even going to try to pronounce that, but they're 20 by 20 inch pillows. And then I picked up the covers, just some black pillow covers to go over these. I think I'm going to put these on my couch and maybe some in my downstairs guest bedroom, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys me redecorating my downstairs guest bedroom. So yeah, this is the pillow cover, and then this is just the feel. And then this is, sorry, this is what it looks like when you put it together, and it looks really high end. I am very impressed with the quality of this pillow cover. It's kind of soft, not too soft, but it's kind of soft, but it looks really plush. So yeah, I think this will look nice on my couch. And then also from Ikea, I picked up these lights to go inside the cabinets that I put in my office. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out, where I'm doing a makeover of my office. And I will be giving you part 2 of that soon, because I did get the table that I ordered for that room, as well as a few other things. Like I added some lamps and things in there, but I still haven't found a settee for my office yet. I haven't really been looking that hard, but I'm gonna get a settee for it and replace the chairs that's in there. But yeah, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, I bought these lights to go in the cabinets there. I think that'll look really nice. And then I went to Ross, and at Ross I picked up this vase. I thought this was really gorgeous. It's black, and then it has like white. It sort of looks marble almost, but it's not. It's just a ceramic vase. And I paid $15.99 for this. So after Christmas, the little black tray that I spray painted, I don't know, I'll put the link to that video down below as well. I'm going to be taking out like the faux Christmas trees or cones and snowman and the ginger jar. And I'll probably leave the ginger jar, and then I'm going to add this vase to it as well and maybe put some stems in it. So I thought this was really cute. And then I also picked up this this panther. Is it a panther? Yeah. It's not going to stay silver. More than likely, I'll spray paint them black and make them a black panther. But yeah, I thought this was really nice. I haven't found a coffee table yet. I am still looking. I had ordered one previously from West Elm, but when they delivered the table was completely shattered. So I sent it back, and I didn't want a chance having them bring me another one. So I just canceled my order, and now I'm on the lookout for a coffee table. But I'll probably put a clip here showing the table that they delivered. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. I'm gonna spray paint him black, like I said, and then find a home for him until I get my new coffee table. I know I want to purchase like a tri-level or dual level coffee table, where there's a tray at the bottom or a shelf at the bottom, and then you have the coffee table at the top, and have it glass as well, where you can see through. That way you can display items on the bottom as well. And then I also want the bottom shelf to be glass, where you can see through and you can see the carpet, just to give the room a slightly bigger feel. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. And then from Ross, I also picked up this down alternative comforter to go inside of the duvets that I bought. This is in the queen size to go in my guest bedroom. So yeah, I had to pick one of those up because all of my comforters and things were king size because those were the only size beds we have in our home. But now we have that queen, so I'll pick that up. And then you guys, I got this duvet cover in the size queen. It is the Hotel Collection from Macy's. This thing was regularly priced $335. It was on sale for 50% off. And then like I said, I got another 20% off. So I think I paid $125 for this duvet cover. And it is really nice. So I'll share with you guys when I redecorate my upstairs guest bedroom. And since they were on sale, I also went ahead and picked up a silver one. They were both the same price, same discount. So I'll decide which one I want to put on the bed now, but since they weren't as expensive as they usually are, I went ahead and picked up two of them. That way I can put one on maybe for the winter time and then one for the summertime and just switch them out, you know. So when you catch something on sale and it's nice, you know, something that's usually high end or high priced and you get it at such a great discount, I try to go ahead and pick up at least 2 or 3 of them because they're not going to go out of style. And then being that they're duvet covers, they're easy to store. They're not like huge comforters. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. You guys have a wonderfully blessed new year, and I will see you again soon.